Hi friends, my name is Miss Veronica and Happy New Year's before dark! Today we're going to be making noisemakers. For this noisemaker, you're going to need pipe cleaners, bells, straw, and some ribbon. First, we are going to take our pipe cleaner and a bell, and we're just going to slip the pipe cleaner right through the bell like this. And we're going to twist, twist, twist it on. I'm going to use 3 bells, but you can use however many bells you would like. I'm using 3 bells because I like to be noisy. The noisier, the better. All right. There we go. Twist, twist, twist. Next, we're going to take all 3 of our bells and we're going to twist them together like this. And we're going to twist, twist, twist those pipe cleaners. Once we get to our desired length, we're going to take our scissors. Make sure to ask your adult before you use scissors. And we're going to cut off whatever's left. Then we're going to take our bells and we are going to tuck the pipe cleaner right into the straw. Oh my gosh, I'm having a little hard time. I didn't twist enough, so I'm going to twist some more. There we go. Now we're going to tuck, 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 tuck. All right, it's in there pretty tight. Now, there's the noisemaker part of our craft. I want to make my noisemaker really festive, so I'm going to use some ribbon, and I'm just going to tie the ribbon right on to those bells. I'm using black, white, and some purple because I think those are very festive New Year's colors. And there we have it, our special craft. If you don't have bells at home, you can probably find something else that will make noise. Also, if you don't have ribbons at home, maybe you can use yarn or something else. I went through my Christmas supplies and found bells and ribbons, so that's what I used. Thank you all for joining me today, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!